is October 1st, last quarter of the year. And yesterday, as I had mentioned, it was the last day of the month. We could see interesting price action and flows. And we did see flows pretty much all day, coming in and moving price very quickly. And you see that we opened right around the point of control. Then we came back down. We almost tested the previous week's low. We couldn't even get to it. And then there was a V-shaped recovery. Buy stepped in strongly, took it back to the point of control and made new highs at the end of the day. And then we left this low volume node and this distribution up here very close to all-time highs. So that's where we have the September high, and this is where all the action took place during the overnight session. So all of this, it's our area of interest for today. I want to see how this range is treated. Is if we just hold up here and then attempt to make new highs and then continue making new highs. On the push higher, I want to see strength. I want to see internal supporting. I want to see us retesting it and then holding. Otherwise, it'll likely be look above and fail, and then we're probably going to come back and test the point of control. If we hold below yesterday's value area high, 558.04, then I'm going to be looking for a move down into the point of control and an attempt to come down to value area low and start testing the lows out of the range, because yesterday we did test it, but if you look at how far we got over here and right at the low volume node, and then bounce back. So we still haven't tested this area. We are now on the daily. It was the first day in a while that we took the lows, right? So technically we're still in balance, because this was an inside day, and this day yesterday's didn't take the high of the previous day. So we're still no one time framing down unless today we take this low. So if today we take this low, then we're gonna start one time framing down on the daily. And then it's very similar scenario as yesterday. I'll be looking for either a bounce from here back to the point of control, or breaking this range and then testing the 5700 on this previous range below. Otherwise, keep grinding higher. So not much change there. Same thing, same scenario for NQ. I'm not even gonna go over that because it's the same thing as yesterday and the previous days. On crude oil, yesterday I mentioned this. I pointed out this range. We got to right to that low volume node, and then we came back, spent some time here at the point of control, and now we broke lower and are trading on retesting the bottom of the range. And this is an area that I pointed out also yesterday, that I said that buyers will probably defend there, and we did find some buyers. Almost took it to that point of control again, and now it's pulling back a little bit. And gold, I also mentioned that we're gonna test this high volume node. We tested below it, then we found buyers, and now we're trading back above this low volume node. And what's likely to happen is that if we hold this area, is that we're gonna retest this 2686 and then retest the high side of the range, because this is a loop below and fell. So I'm looking for a retest of the point of control and eventually the 2700s again. We have some economic news today. S&P manufacturing at 9:45, JOLTS at 10 a.m. And then we have Fed speaking at 11 a.m. And then in the afternoon they're speaking again. That's about it for today. The first couple of days of October tend to be a little weak, and then October generally it's a little grindy. November is usually more bullish month, in September and December too. But in general, this last quarter of the year is one of the most bullish. So okay, that's about it. Good luck.